Hi everyone, it's Aya and welcome back to my channel. I am thrilled to be part again of the Altenew Hub today, and our theme is You. Don't forget to check out the video hub list below to see the amazing creations by other Altenew educators. And stick around till the end because I have got a bonus card for you. For today's project, I picked the timeless Altenew Seasonal Blossom Kit. You can find the link for this kit in the description box below. This kit includes a stamp set, coordinating dies, layering stencil, and a 3D embossing folder. It also comes with a mini booklet featuring a few inspirational projects and the supply used to create them. I will be stamping the large sunflower background using the We Are Memory Keepers platform. I adhered the Altenew sticky mat to it and trimmed the axis to fit the platform. My son Jibril might pop in to show you his tiny collection while I am stamping my image. I use VersaFine ink and gold embossing powder to stamp the image. And to color it, I'm using the layering stencil and the new Botanical Brilliance Fresh Dye ink bundle released this month, or maybe last month, I don't remember. After stamping and coloring the image twice, I die cut it and trimmed the white border using paper trimmer. Now let's turn these beautiful images into a card. Choosing the background color can really change the look and the theme for your projects. For instance, using light blue cardstocks gives a fun summery vibe, while brown cardstock immediately brings fall vibes. And for a different look, I just chose vellum. I didn't want to cut an inch of these beautiful flowers, so I ended up with a uniquely sized card. Alternatively, I could just hang it on my wall, and the sentiments is very encouraging and I would love to read it every day. I foam mounted the sunflower, but I forgot to stamp the sentiments beforehand. So the sentiments I chose says, "You are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think." This is why I wouldn't mind hanging this on my wall or my daughter's wall. And for the final touch, I splattered white acrylic ink. The bonus card is this fancy design with the blue and purple shades. I made a mini tutorial for this card, so check out my YouTube shorts or my Instagram account. Link is below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.